YouTube is completely into shorts right now, and there are many chances that YouTube will increase the revenue per 1,000 views on YouTube Shorts. And besides ad revenue, there are many ways to earn through YouTube Shorts, and you can literally earn about $100 every day, and I will prove it to you in the end of this video. I will also tell you how to SEO your shorts and how to actually grow a YouTube Shorts channel in just 90 days. I myself started a separate YouTube channel for shorts, and I will reveal it as soon as I accomplish my milestone, but today I am here to tell you about a niche that has very little competition but high demand. The niche I am talking about is called What If. Even if you know about this niche, you need to watch this video. You will learn even more today, but first take a look at what we would be creating today.
Imagine waking up one day to find that the internet, the lifeline of our modern world, had vanished. No emails, no social media updates, no streaming services. Chaos would ensue as businesses struggle to operate, communication falters, and information becomes scarce. People would have to resort to old-fashioned methods of communication like letters and landline phones. Society would face a major reset as we realize.
The reason why I am asking you to start a shorts channel is because I myself have witnessed that tremendous growth in subscribers from YouTube Shorts than ever before, so that's why you need to start creating YouTube Shorts. So here is what we will be doing. We need a good written script that doesn't sound robotic, a realistic voiceover for our shorts, visuals for creating our shorts, and in final and editing software to put everything together. So starting with the script, we will use the same old ChatGPT but with a new method so that our scripts don't feel robotic. Just paste the special prompt in ChatGPT. This special prompt for ChatGPT will be in the description. Just save this prompt in a notepad, and every time you want to get your script, just paste this prompt in ChatGPT and it will provide you different story each time. Now let's get our voiceover. As always, we will use 11 Labs for our voiceover. Just copy paste your script here. Look, I will recommend you to use a different and unique voiceover. Doing that is pretty simple. Just click on voices from the left side, then go to voice library, and here are tons of voices. You can simply add any voice that you want. I already have added many voices, so just go back, choose your voiceover character from that you added, then click on generate button and wait for a few seconds and simply download your voiceover. Now heading towards the main part, the visuals. Let me tell you a secret in shorts, you don't need to do much editing, you only need to get correct visuals for every scene that can catch the attention of the audience. For visuals, we will use Leonardo AI because it's free and easy to use. Just click on image generation, and here what you need to do is go back to your script, read first few words of your script, understand the scene, and write a prompt by yourself. Trust me, it's very easy, and to get better quality images, also add this additional prompt in every prompt of yours. Prompt will be in the description. Select your AI model, number of images, and change ratio into 9:16, and then simply click on generate. While the images are being generated, I want to tell you to only use the good images because, as I said, our full focus is on the visuals, so they must be good. Here our images are ready, just download them. Now what we want to do is put everything together in an editing software. Just import all your material here, then drag and drop your voiceover on the timeline. Then you see these empty spaces in our voiceover, you need to get rid of them. Just crop them all like this, and when done, first click on here to change aspect ratio and choose ratio into 9:16. Then carefully listen to your voiceover and place your images as per the voiceover. Now what we need to do is add animations. Go to animations. Then combo, then choose animations for your every clip. You need to apply animation on every single clip. Then it's time for transitions. Go to transitions and drag and drop transitions between your clips just like this. Now it's time for those eye-catchy captions. Go to text, then captions, then select English language, and then click on create button. And when captions are ready, go to templates, choose your caption style. I would suggest you to use short captions, they are just so good. Then you can also change the font and color if you want to place the captions in the middle of the screen. Everything is almost done. For background audio, you can choose your audio while uploading your short on YouTube. That's it, just export the video. Now about growing a shorts channel, there are two things to keep in mind if you really want to start shorts and grow audience fast. Then even before starting a shorts channel, you need to commit to yourself that I will post one short every day for at least 90 days no matter the results. And second thing is always post your short at one specific time. You can find your time by uploading your shorts at random time periods for the first week, and when you get your best time to upload, then make sure that your every short comes out at that time. Now these were two things to grow your channel as soon as possible. Now for SEO of shorts. You know, shorts are not actually searched, they only come by scrolling in the feed, so you only need to use only 3 hashtags. One must. Hashtag is hashtag shorts. Second hashtag must be about your category like entertainment, education, how-to, and etc. And third hashtag must be about your niche like history, facts, motivation, and so on. Just do as I told you and tell your results after 1 week in comments of this video. Now to talk about how you can earn up to $100 or even more every single day from YouTube Shorts. Once you have minimum 5,000 subscribers, you will start getting sponsor mails. You can do paid sponsorship, paid promotion. You can also join Amazon affiliate program and also YouTube ads monetization. Now, if we sum up everything, if 1,000 people watch your shorts and only 10 out of 1,000 buy something through your affiliate link, that can be minimum $50 to $60, and that's only minimum. And if you get only one paid promotion per day, it's like minimum $5 and maximum $20, and like $20 from AdSense, so the total is $100. And to mention again, I just provided minimum assumption right now, it can be even more. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe us, because soon I will reveal my shorts channel. You will really like it. If you want to learn retention editing, click on the video that is popping on the screen right now. It's free.